Do you know that this simple leaf from your garden can transform your hair into thick, long, and healthy strands? Yes, I'm talking about this fresh hibiscus leaf. Many of you know the dry version, which I'll also show you in this video, but this one is the fresh hibiscus. This hibiscus fresh leaf is a hidden secret that women in Africa, Asia and Caribbean have been using for centuries. In this video, I am going to show you the complete journey on how to prepare and how to use it as a hair mask to boost your hair growth and also to strengthen your hair. The green leaf is gotten from the hibiscus tree. For people who haven't seen the tree before, that is where it is gotten from. While the pink one is the hibiscus itself. I am also going to show you where it came out from. This is how it looks like before it blooms to this beautiful flower you're seeing here right now. And that is what they dry up to make your hibiscus tea. I just want you to know that it is the same hibiscus, but this one is already dry. This is what you get when it is dried up, all right? But for this video, you can't use the dry version. You have to use the fresh green leaf of the hibiscus. The dry hibiscus will not give you the gel that we need for this video, so it is best you get the green leaf. So look out for the green leaf if you want to try it out. Hibiscus is called the flower of hair care in Ayurveda. Hibiscus leaves and flowers are considered one of the best remedy for hair loss. In India, women use hibiscus paste regularly to maintain dark, thick hair. Let me give them their flower because they really deserve it. I saw this recipe from an Indian YouTuber. Even the Caribbeans and the Africans use it. In Nigeria, it is called zobo leaf, which is usually prepared as a healthy drink, which is now also used for a natural beauty treatment. For the purpose of this video, we are not going to be using the pink hibiscus, but the green one, the green leaves only. First of all, I will need to wash it thoroughly to remove all the impurities before we get started. The green hibiscus leaf contains a gel called mucilage, just like your aloe vera, flaxseed, chia seed, and okra. So that is why I said you need to get your hands on the leaves itself. This mucilage coats your strands and deeply conditions your hair. So now that we are done washing it, let's go ahead and blend this up. Feel free to use a mortar and pound it. If you don't have a mortar, just chop it off in small particles and soak it in water. The gel is going to be released. You're going to soak it overnight so the gel will be released. I was so in love with this. Nature has really given us everything. So now that I've transferred it into my blender, I will add this quantity of water, even though you still need more. All right, I would have added more initially, but then I did it afterwards because you need enough water to actually extract the gel. It is very thick, which you guys are going to see. This leaf right here contains so many vitamins and minerals that will benefit your hair. They contain amino acid, which is the building block of protein that help rebuild your weak strands. So if you're dealing with breakage, make sure you're using this, all right, because this will really strengthen your hair. It also contains vitamin C, which boosts collagen production, which is very vital for a healthy scalp and strong roots. It also contains iron, which help carry oxygen to the hair follicle, fueling your hair growth. It also contains antioxidants like flavonoids, which protect your scalp from free radical damages, preventing thinning and premature graying. Studies carried out on this show that hibiscus extract does not only stimulate dormant hair follicle, but also extend the hair growth phase, meaning that your hair will grow longer before it starts to shed. You all know that your hair enters into different stages. There are stages when your hair is actively growing, while the stages where your hair is actively shedding. This will keep your hair in the active growing phase for a longer time. So now we are done blending the hibiscus leaf, and this is what it looks like. Very slimy. Oh my god, this is really slimy. And I had to add more water to be able to strain out this because initially I couldn't. You guys are going to see how everything went. While I was trying to strain out this, it poured. Like, As I pressed it, it just poured. It spilled everywhere. Oh my god. I had to start again. You guys, take a look at this. This just created a mess, but I am still going to do it anyway. I'm going to take out everything and then rinse out the cheesecloth. Then we'll come back and redo it. This part is very crucial because the residues inside the gel shouldn't go on your hair, because it is going to be nearly impossible to get them out. So make sure you strain it properly to get out all the residues. So I rinsed it out and I am gonna try it again, and this time around it will be done properly. So I'm just going to squeeze it until I have gotten out all the gel. Then we'll throw away the shaft. Very nourishing and easy to make. I mean, anybody can make this. If you can't blend it, just soak it inside water and leave it overnight. You're still going to get the gel. Maybe not green, you're going to get this transparent gel like consistency, but it's not going to be green. This will stimulate new hair growth, meaning you're going to experience baby hair. Your hair will start to grow and you're going to get thicker strands too. This also helps prevent hair loss. It will strengthen your roots and reduce shedding. If you're dealing with hair loss, this is what you need. This is also a very good deep conditioner which works better than some shop bought product, and I am not even lying. I am not even trying to hype it. Based on my experience, this is really giving everything deep conditioner gives. It controls dandruff. So if you're dealing with flaky scalp, this has antibacterial properties that can help keep your scalp healthy and away from dandruff. It also delays graying. It has this natural antioxidant that preserves your hair natural color. It adds shine and bounce, like it will just give your hair this healthy look. It will coat your strands in a natural protecting layer. You're not going to need some expensive treatment or expensive products. All you just need a handful of fresh hibiscus leaves. So now we are done taking out the gel, and this is what it looks like. Here is the chaff, which I'm going to be throwing away. Even though if you still soak it inside water, you're still going to get the gel. Without wasting much of your time, let me show you how I use this. I have already gone ahead to section my hair. My hair feels dry and dusty because I haven't done a deep conditioner, which I know this is really going to help. If you are out there doing natural hair without deep conditioner, you are definitely going to experience breakage, and breakage is one of the reasons why it seems like your hair is not growing. And you don't need some expensive products to do a deep conditioner. This right here is deep conditioning enough. This will coat your strands and keep your strands very healthy and thick. There are different other ways you can use your fresh hibiscus leaf. You can even add aloe vera to it if you so pleases, and you can also add fenugreek. If you're dealing with dandruff, all you need to do is to soak your fenugreek seed overnight, blend the both together, and then strain it out and apply it. You can also make a hair shampoo from this, but for that you're going to need the pink part of the hibiscus. You can also boil the leaf and use it as a daily moisturizer or as a final rinse after your wash day. This feels really smooth on the hair. It just feels like you're feeding your hair with the right thing. If you're consistent with this, you're going to notice new hair growth and your hair will become thicker. It is assured you're going to experience thicker hair. If you don't want thicker hair, do not use this. If you want to supercharge this for faster hair growth, you can add an onion juice. If you want a darker hair, you can add your henna leaves to it. This will just improve your hair color and give you this darker version of your hair. Also remember that consistency is key. Use this twice weekly for the best results. And also, if you feel like you can't be making it every week, you can store it in your refrigerator and use it twice a week. Also remember that you cannot store this for a longer time. If not, it's not going to be potent anymore. Nature has given us the best remedy, so why spend hundreds and thousands of money on chemicals that leaves little or no transformation on your hair? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, share to your loved ones who might be struggling with hair growth, and also comment. Let me know if you're going to be trying this.